In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload project files to Kreo using Google Chrome. We'll start by opening Google Chrome. If it isn't on your taskbar or dock, you can find it through your apps menu or search bar. With Chrome open, click the address bar at the top, type Kreo.net, and press enter. That takes you to the Kreo website. Look for the Login button and click it. On the sign in page, enter your email and password exactly as you use them for Kreo, then click Login. If your details are correct, you'll land on your workspace. Next, choose the project you want to work with. You'll see a list of projects. Go ahead and click your project name to open it. This brings you into the project dashboard where you can manage everything related to that job. To add your documents, locate the control that says Upload Files or sometimes Add Files and click it. Different accounts may show slightly different wording, but the function is the same. When prompted, click Browse to open the file picker on your computer. Now select the project files from your PC. You can choose a single file or select multiple files at once. On most computers, holding Control or Command lets you pick individual files, and holding Shift selects a range. Take a moment to confirm you've chosen the correct versions and that file names are clear, since that makes tracking easier later. After your selection, click Open. You should see the upload begin right away. Keep the browser tab open while this runs. Large files or slower connections may take longer, and you might see a progress bar or spinning indicator for each file. If anything looks stuck, wait a bit. Refreshing too soon can interrupt the transfer. Avoid putting your computer to sleep until the upload completes. Once every file shows as finished, look for a Save or Confirm button if it appears, and click it to finalize the upload. Some pages commit changes automatically, but if you see an extra confirmation step, use it to make sure everything is locked in. That's it. You've opened Chrome, gone to Kreo.net, logged in, opened your project, browsed for your files, started the upload, waited for it to complete, and saved or confirmed when prompted. You're now ready to move on with your project work inside Kreo. If you need to revisit these files later, they'll be right inside your project.